Understanding Slicing Software, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting topic in the world of technology: slicing software. This term might sound a bit unusual, but by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how it's used. So, let's dive in. Slicing software refers to a type of computer program used primarily in 3D printing. Imagine you have a digital 3D model that you want to print. The slicing software acts like a skilled chef, slicing the model into thin, horizontal layers. This process is crucial because a 3D printer can't print a 3D model all at once. Instead, it prints layer by layer, starting from the bottom and gradually building up. In this section, let's explore how slicing software is vital in 3D printing. Firstly, it translates the 3D model into a language that the printer understands. This is similar to translating a recipe into a language a cook understands. Secondly, it allows users to customize settings like layer height and printing speed, factors that determine the quality and strength of the printed object. Slicing software isn't just for tech enthusiasts or engineers. It's used in various fields, from medical to manufacturing. For instance, it helps in creating custom prosthetics in healthcare or intricate parts in aerospace engineering. Understanding its role can give us a glimpse into how technology is shaping our world. And that's a wrap on slicing software. I hope this video has shed light on this fascinating piece of technology. Remember, it's not just about slicing a digital model, it's about translating ideas into tangible objects. Thanks for watching, and stay curious about the wonders of technology.